Hello guys, the video is what is CapCut and what you should do by it. So CapCut is an application of Android, iOS and PC etc. A software you can call it by which you should edit your post, edit your pictures, edit your videos etc. You can also edit your videos like adding text, adding audio, cropping your video, stickers, adding stickers, overlay, effect, filters, format, convex, and adjust your video. You may have increase your brightness, contrast, saturation, expose, shape and highlights, temperature, etc. So guys, I should recommend to use CapCut for editing your videos. It is free and it's don't need any cost, any fat subscription. So you should easily edit your videos. I should be called that it's a very good website. Sorry, website, not application. That didn't give you watermark or paid subscriptions. So I recommend to use and watch the tutorial which I am starting on CapCut editing software, that how you should use it, how you should add filters, adjustments or etc. So guys, download the CapCut and start editing for free. Thank you guys, like the video and subscribe the channel.